Derek with the Eliminex here in Saraville. This is a drop-off spot, one of them. So I got the kits of the baby bucks, and what I did, I released the mother and opened trap, and she went into the box, and then just a couple minutes later she ran out. She's gonna scout. She's gonna scout for a new location, and she's gonna come back and retrieve them. Retrieve the 4 kits here. So they're gonna wait. They're staying put. I think they're all here. Oh. Did she take one? Or they're all... Did she take one? Yeah, I think she took one already. Alright. And there's one protecting the rest. There's one protecting the rest. Oh no, there's 4. There's 4 here. Okay. So that's pretty cool. So one's guarding the other 3. So they're not just going to go out on their own. And the mother took off, and she's going to scout for a spot. She's going to come back. She's going to come back soon, probably in 10, 20 minutes, and she'll start retrieving them one by one. And then I'll come back tomorrow, and I'll come get this box. Make sure they've been rescued. That was very successful. Got them out of the attic and everything all together.